Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. I'm Grant Imahara, and today we're diving into the exciting world of load testing with NBomber. Imagine you've built a fantastic application, but under heavy traffic it crashes and burns. Not a good look, right? That's where NBomber comes in. NBomber is a powerful load testing framework for .NET applications. It helps you simulate massive user traffic to see how your application holds up under pressure. Think of it as a digital stress test for your code. With NBomber, you can identify performance bottlenecks, optimize your application, and ensure a smooth user experience. Whether you're building web applications, APIs, or databases, NBomber has got you covered. It's like having your own team of virtual users ready to put your application through its paces. So, buckle up, and let's explore the ins and outs of this fantastic tool. Before we unleash the power of NBomber, we need to set up our testing environment. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. First things first, you'll need to install the .NET SDK on your machine. Think of it as giving your computer the language skills to understand NBomber. You can download the latest version from the official Microsoft website. Once the SDK is installed, open up your favorite terminal and run a simple command to install NBomber. It's as easy as pie. Now let's create a new project for our load tests. You can use your preferred IDE like Visual Studio or Rider. Create a new console application and we're good to go. NBomber integrates seamlessly with popular testing frameworks like Unit and XUnit, giving you the flexibility to choose your weapon of choice. With our environment set up, we're ready to dive into the heart of load testing. Get your coding hats on, folks. Things are about to get interesting. Let's talk about the heart of NBomber creating load test scenarios. In NBomber, a scenario is like a blueprint for your test. It defines what you want to test, how many virtual users to simulate, and how long the test should run. You can think of it as writing a script for your virtual users to follow. Each scenario consists of steps that represent individual actions performed by users. For instance, a step could be making an HTTP request to your website or querying a database. NBomber provides a fluent API that makes creating scenarios a breeze. You can easily define the number of virtual users, the test duration, and the steps to execute. Want to simulate users logging in, browsing products, and adding items to their cart? No problem. NBomber gives you the flexibility to create realistic user behavior patterns. You can even configure delays between steps to mimic real-world user interactions. With NBomber, you have complete control over your load test scenarios. One of the most common use cases for NBomber is testing web applications and APIs. After all, in today's digital world, your application needs to handle a constant barrage of requests. NBomber makes it incredibly easy to simulate real-world HTTP traffic. You can define the HTTP method, get, post, put, delete, etc., set headers, and even send custom payloads with your requests. Need to test how your website handles user authentication? No problem. NBomber lets you send authentication cookies with your requests. You can even extract data from responses and use it in subsequent requests, just like a real user would. Whether you're testing a simple website or a complex API, NBomber has got you covered. It's like having your own army of virtual users, all browsing your application simultaneously. This helps you identify bottlenecks and optimize performance before they become major issues. Database stress test, uncovering bottlenecks. Load testing isn't just for web applications. Your databases are the backbone of your application and they need to be able to handle the heat too. NBomber makes it easy to stress test your databases and identify potential bottlenecks. You can execute SQL queries, measure execution times, and see how your database performs under pressure. Imagine you have an e-commerce application with thousands of users placing orders simultaneously. That's a lot of database queries. NBomber lets you simulate this scenario and see how your database handles the load. You can monitor key metrics like query execution time, database connections, and resource utilization. This helps you identify slow queries, optimize database indexes, and ensure your data layer can keep up with the demands of your application. Remember, a slow database can bring your entire application to a crawl. Lights, camera, action! Running your load tests and monitoring performance. All right, we've built our load test scenarios, and now it's showtime. Running your NBomber tests is as simple as executing a single command in your terminal. NBomber will spin up your virtual users and unleash them upon your application. But it's not just about throwing traffic at your application. It's about understanding how it performs under pressure. That's where monitoring comes in. NBomber provides real-time statistics and metrics as your test runs. You can monitor key performance indicators like requests per second, response times, error rates, and more. This gives you valuable insights into how your application is handling the load. You can see if response times are increasing, if errors are starting to creep in, or if your application is on the verge of collapse. This real-time feedback allows you to identify issues early on and take corrective action before they become major problems. Deciphering the results, analyzing data, and identifying issues. Once your load tests are complete, it's time to put on your detective hat and analyze the results. NBomber generates detailed reports with charts and graphs that visualize your application's performance. Remember those metrics we talked about earlier? Now you can see them in all their glory. You can analyze response time distributions, identify slow API endpoints, and pinpoint database queries that are dragging down performance. NBomber's reports provide valuable insights into your application's behavior under stress. You can use this information to identify bottlenecks, optimize code, and improve the overall user experience. Remember, knowledge is power, and NBomber gives you the knowledge you need to build high-performing applications. NBomber's secret weapons, plugins, automation, and distributed testing. NBomber is already a powerful tool, but it gets even better with its advanced features. Let's start with plugins. Plugins allow you to extend NBomber's functionality and integrate with other tools. Need to send load test metrics to your favorite monitoring system like Prometheus or Datadog? There's a plugin for that. Want to generate custom reports or integrate with your CI/CD pipeline? Plugins have got you covered. Speaking of CI/CD, NBomber integrates seamlessly with popular CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, and Azure DevOps. This allows you to automate your load tests and run them as part of your continuous integration and delivery process. And if you need to simulate massive scale, NBomber supports distributed load testing. You can distribute your load tests across multiple machines, generating even more traffic and pushing your application to its limits. Load testing mastery, best practices, and common pitfalls. Load testing is both an art and a science. Here are a few best practices to help you get the most out of NBomber and avoid common pitfalls. First, define realistic load scenarios. Don't just throw random traffic at your application. Think about how your users actually interact with your application and design your tests accordingly. Second, start small and gradually increase the load. Don't go from 0 to hero immediately. Start with a small number of virtual users and gradually ramp up the load over time. This will help you identify bottlenecks more easily. Third, monitor your infrastructure. Load testing can put a significant strain on your servers and network. Make sure you're monitoring your infrastructure closely during your tests to avoid any surprises. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Load testing is all about learning how your application behaves under different conditions. Real-world applications where NBomber shines. NBomber's versatility makes it an invaluable tool for a wide range of applications. Let's explore a few real-world scenarios where NBomber shines. Imagine you're launching a new e-commerce website. You expect a surge in traffic during your Black Friday sale. NBomber can help you ensure your website can handle the load and provide a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Or perhaps you're developing a mobile gaming API that needs to handle thousands of concurrent players. NBomber can simulate this massive player base, helping you identify and resolve performance bottlenecks before they impact your players. From financial institutions, processing transactions, to healthcare providers, managing patient data, NBomber ensures applications can handle the demands of today's digital world. Conclusion. Embrace the power of performance testing. As we've seen, load testing with NBomber is crucial for building robust and high-performing applications. It allows you to catch performance bottlenecks early on, optimize your code, and ensure a smooth user experience. Whether you're building web applications, APIs, or databases, NBomber provides the tools you need to test and improve your application's performance. So, embrace the power of performance testing with NBomber. Put your applications through their paces, identify their limits, and optimize them to handle the demands of today's digital landscape. Remember, a little bit of load testing can go a long way in ensuring your applications are ready for prime time. Happy testing, everyone!